gonna be lovely and delicious. All right. Yeah, beautiful one. And this is how you're gonna start off today. All right. I did quite a few recipes like this before. We're gonna get some cucumber. All right. Cucumber is just delicious to have. All right. 95% of cucumber is water. We're gonna put some ginger. All right. Drink this on an empty stomach, guys. All right. Very, very good for you. All right. Yeah. Beautiful one to you to drink at home. All right. And I will definitely show you exactly what you need to do. We're gonna get some lemon. So we're just gonna get one lemon and put it straight inside of it, all right? And that is just beautiful and nice and delicious, all right? Now, the thing is, I'm gonna put a little bit of water in it like this to free up the blender, all right? And we're gonna blend this amount right here. Lovely and nice, all right? So what you want to do is pour up this amount right here and make this going to strain in the meantime. All right, now I got half more cucumber which I'm going to be cutting up, and I need to blend this also. All right, beautiful. Put the rest of the cucumber into the blender. So I'm using roughly about 1 1/4 cucumber, alright? And then we got some more ginger. Just gonna put a piece more ginger inside of it. And then we're gonna use roughly about half of a lemon inside of it again. That is lovely. Beautiful. Now, the thing is, what I'm going to do is put a little bit more water into this one. This one right here is going down. Beautiful. So nice. Alright guys, trust me. 100% this is amazing. Now what I'm going to do, we're going to get some fresh mint and put it straight inside of it. Alright, we got some fresh mint and we want to put this fresh mint in it just like this to blend it. So we want to put the cucumber and the fresh mint together. Alright, not only that, you can put an apple in it if you like. Alright, let's put some apple for sweetness. Alright, and that is just lovely and delicious right here. Beautiful. Alright, let's put that aside. Let's blend this. Alright. But as you can see, that this recipe is not no normal recipe, guys. It's a recipe which you definitely want to try at home and made it. Alright. It is beautiful and it's lovely and it's also delicious. Alright. So it's a recipe definitely you have to say to yourself, you know what, I have to try this recipe from Chef Ricardo. So let's blend this. Oh yeah, that is lovely. Alright. So we're going to pour this into this right now and we're going to get this one strained. But look at that. Look at the fresh mint and everything. It is just lovely. The fresh mint is just amazing. Alright. %, the fresh mint is just so lovely, guys. Where, yeah, it's just one of these kind of recipe where you want to try at home. Alright. When you're at home, you want to try something different. This come in really handy for you. It's coming up to summer, and a lot of people will want to make some nice, lovely, fresh juice this summer. Yeah. Lovely and nice. Right, so that's exactly what I'm talking about. Nice one. Alright guys, it's beautiful, lovely, and also delicious. Alright, so what you want to do with this one now, I'm going to show you exactly how you want to serve this one. Alright, you get some apple and you put straight inside of it, just like this. Alright. And then what you want to do, you want to get some leaves and put it straight inside of it. That's some fresh mint right there, alright? And then a couple slices of lemon. Just like this inside of it. Alright, then through the time it's a little bit still cold, you don't want to have too much ice or nothing like that inside of it. Just pour this inside of it like this. And that is exactly what you need to do this summer. Beautiful one, honestly. It's just something new, something delicious, and 100% you guys will love it. Alright, so look at that. Beautiful. You got the fresh mint still inside of it. Same way, it's just one of those kind of recipe. You definitely say to yourself, you know what, it's coming up to summer, and this is exactly what I need right here in this summer. Alright, it is just one of these kind of recipe, guys. You definitely want to try. Trust me. You want to try it, and you know, only thing come to yourself, oh yeah, this coming really handy right here. Alright, it's a beautiful recipe, guys, and I'm telling you this, if you doesn't know exactly what I'm talking about, you just need to try it. Give it a try and give it a go and see exactly what happened this summer. So this summer, guys, we are about the best recipes, the best ideas, the best juice, the best everything you can ever think of in this summer. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in because we have so much recipe for you to come. More and more, and some of the world's best healthy juice recipe them will be coming from Chef Ricardo in this summer. So if you're at home and you feel bored, trust me, you will get some recipe where you definitely have to make this summer. Alright guys, because this summer is going to be something totally different what you want to do at home. All right. So amazing, fantastic, delicious. The flavor, the texture, everything is just amazing. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned in. Matt, big up yourself, man. Oh, Jamaica recipe queen. We got Chef Andrew. Big up yourself. Thank you so much, guys, for coming on the show. It's just one of those kind of, recipe where you want to try. Well, camera doesn't even clear like the way it's supposed to be. But it's all good. But anyway, why not? Yeah. But it's just one of those kind of recipe which you want to try at home. All right, guys. Beautiful, lovely, and delicious. Fantastic and amazing. All right. Thank you for watching.